Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to Bake Cook Travel. Today it's time for some amazing fish. We will be cooking a beautiful piece of tilapia. Tilapia is not just a very tasty fish, but it's super easy to cook and very healthy for you. I will show you a simple pan-fried tilapia, two delicious sides, roasted broccoli and potatoes, and a creamy and citrusy cilantro sauce. This is a dinner recipe that you can make in just a couple of minutes. So, vamos! Let's cook! So, first I will start by making the sides. Start with the potatoes, which need the most time. I'm using about 600 grams of golden potatoes. This recipe can be made for 4 people. Clean and cut the potatoes into halves. Place them into a bowl and add olive oil, enough to coat them all. Add 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Add 4 garlics. Toss everything very well until combined. Bring a large saucepan to high heat. It can be a non-stick or cast iron pan, like this one. Add some olive oil to your pan, about 1 teaspoon. Then add the potatoes and cook them until they get some brown coloring. Add 1 stalk of rosemary. Place it then on a tray with foil and into a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, get about 2 stalks of broccoli, cut into forests. It's when you cut them like these little trees. And 3 sliced garlics. In the same pan, over medium to high heat, add 1 more tablespoon of olive oil and add your broccoli and garlic. Season with salt and pepper to your taste and cook them until you start to get some color, about 3 minutes. I like to add some chili powder as well. Up to you. Put them on the same tray as the potatoes for the 5 remaining minutes of the potatoes. When they are all in the oven, you can make your sauce by whisking to a bowl 1/4 cup of Greek or any non-flavored yogurt you like, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and add the salt and pepper to taste. And 1 bunch of chopped cilantro. Chop the cilantro, cutting the rough parts of the stalk and chopping the rest very small. Mix everything together and your sauce is ready. Now it's time for you to drop a like if you're enjoying this video, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing delicious recipes and food adventures. So now you can start to cook your tilapia. It only takes a few minutes, so always leave it until the end so it's hot and fresh. Always take the fillets you're cooking out of the fridge 30 minutes before. Add some olive oil, not too much, and black pepper. Now I'm gonna talk a little bit in Portuguese for my friends in my hometown, Salvador, Bahia, Brasil. Oi pessoal, para você que está em Salvador e está assistindo esse vídeo, deseja comprar melhor tilápia para fazer esta receita? By Rapicom. Estou deixando o link na descrição desse vídeo da By Rapicom, onde você pode encontrar melhor tilápia de Salvador, dentre outros produtos como camarão, o que é o forte deles, e tudo de muito boa qualidade, muito fresquinho vindo da fazenda. Lá você pode encontrar todos esses produtos, não só a tilápia, como camarão, entre outros frutos do mar. Não se esqueça de conferir. By Rapicom. O link está na descrição desse vídeo. Use a non-stick pan to cook your tilapia. To me, this pan works best. Bring your pan to medium to high heat and add about 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. It also depends on the size of your pan. Just make sure you coat the pan very nicely. Add the fillet dark side down. Add salt. Add the 2 garlics and cook for 4 minutes. Or when you see the sides getting very white, flip the fillet. Add a half a tablespoon of butter and cook for 3 more minutes, basting the fish with the melted garlic butter. And then take it off the heat. At this point, the veggies will also be ready. Add the salt to the potatoes when they come out of the oven. Add the sauce on the plate and place the tilapia on top. Add the potatoes and broccoli and some extra sauce on the side. This dish has a very citrusy, creamy and buttery taste. Combined with the freshness of the fish and the veggies, it just makes a perfect pairing. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you'd like to see another great tilapia video, I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On Bakecook Travel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here, and for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.